Hello, ladies. Welcome to my space. I'm Maraima, and today we'll discuss health, crucial for your financial freedom in this life stage. I'm no expert, but I know health is key to enjoying the beautiful life you're creating. For me, feeling healthy means drinking water daily and taking my morning walk, like now. This is the lovely area I'm in. It's a walkway near our home. Being healthy means sleeping well, eating veggies and fruit, and enjoying life. I love wine and still eat bread, but I maintain my health. That's our topic today. So tell me how you feel healthy. I feel healthy when I wake up positive, cleanse, do yoga, and meditate. Wealth isn't just money, it's what's in your heart and mind. Complete this. I feel rich when I hope to see your answers in the comments.